I used to be broke, stuck in school, working a job I hated, and scrolling through IG just wondering how the hell were people making money online. Now I just hit my first $20,000 a month all from my phone. No ads, no fancy setup, just from content. This is my full story, the exact steps that I took, the mindset shifts, the systems I built, and how you can start from zero just like I did. A year ago, I was at my lowest. In college, working a retail job and just broke. Every single day felt the same. Class, work, scroll, and repeat. And I kept asking myself, how are these people making money online? I tried dropshipping, crypto, print on demand. Nothing stuck. I was overwhelmed, overthinking. I was done watching. I was gonna start. I came across a strategy that actually made sense. Content creation and digital products. I didn't have to be a huge influencer, didn't have to have a huge following, and I didn't even have to sell my own product. I created a new IG and started posting simple 7-second reels every single day. I picked a $47 product to promote, something I actually believed in, and dropped the link in my bio. At first, nothing. It was slow for quite a while, I'm not gonna lie. Then one video hit 10K. I made $120 in one day. It wasn't a lot, but that one moment changed everything. I realized that if one video can bring me $120, what if I posted 3 a day? I did exactly that, and I started making real money online. And it wasn't until recently I added WAP to the mix. They pay $3.50 per 1,000 views on TikTok and IG, and $50 per 1,000 views on YouTube. So now I was making money from 2 places: content views and commissions from my digital product. Day 1 from WAP, I only made $15. Day 2, I crossed over $100. Then by day 5, I made over $1,300 US. And fast forward to the end of the month, I've crossed over $20,000, all from my phone. But let me be real with you, it wasn't all perfect. I missed out on a lot during the process. My friends didn't get it. I missed out on a lot of sleep, parties, and there were so many times where I kept posting and I saw no traction. But I still kept going because the pain of staying stuck felt way worse than the pain of being uncomfortable. If you're in school, working a job you hate, or stuck on the sidelines thinking, I want to do this but I just don't know where to start, here's what I do today if I had to start all over. I'd create a brand new IG and TikTok showing myself or faces, it doesn't matter. I'd pick one digital product to promote, like the $27 one I do, and I'd post 2-3 times a day using a viral audio, plus value-based captions. Then I'd submit those videos to WAP and get paid per 1,000 views I bring in. And lastly, I'd stay consistent, even when it feels like nothing's working. It's not about going viral. It's about showing up every single day and letting the algorithm do its thing. I'm not here to sell you a dream. I'm just showing you what actually worked for me as a broke college student starting off with 0 followers. If you want the same system that I use today, the exact setup, content types, and offers I promote, comment start or click the link in the description. So if I can do this starting from 0 with no experience, no nothing, so can you.